Welcome everyone back to another quick tutorial on CSS. Today we will be starting a short series on the box model. The box model is the method used to display your elements from HTML and contains 4 parts. First you have the content, which is what is written or shown. Then your content is surrounded by padding or white space all around. Then there is a border around the padding and content, and finally a margin, which is white space outside of the border to separate it from other elements. Today we will be going over the border. To show how changing these values affects what is output, in my HTML file I have a div whose class is box, and I will be styling it in my CSS file. So first we select the class name box, and then we start with the border, which contains the padding and the content. So I will write border : 3 values separated by spaces. The first value is the thickness of the border, so I can write 3 pixels using PNC. Then is the type of line the border to be, with the options being solid, dashed, double, and dotted. The last value is the color of the border, so I will create this border to be a solid red line like this. Using the attribute border will apply the settings to all sides of the border, however I can also specify each side separately. You use the attributes border -bottom, -top, -left, and -right. So here for example I will create a solid border for my top side, a dotted one for the bottom side, a dashed for the left and a double for the right, so that you can see the difference between all of them. Another way to manipulate the border is to round the corners. If you would like to have the border not just be a rectangle but also some circling at the corners, you can use the border radius attribute. So here I will write border radius and then colon and then the amount in pixels how much I would like to round the corners. So if I wrote 10p and then x like this, the following result would look like this, and as you can see all 4 corners become rounded. Borders can be crucial to place emphasis on certain parts of your web page or just as a design preference, so note to use it well. That's all for today and I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching, and remember to always keep learning even if it's a few minutes a day.